9/11 is a date that will ever live in the memory of our nation. The towers, the Pentagon, and a field in Shanksville, PA, where because of Todd Beamer and other brave souls on Flight 93 who said, "Let's roll," the memorial there tells the story of those who, knowing they were doomed to death and destruction, turned the tables on their hijackers and decided for themselves when and where the flight would end. The impact of that crash knocked a farmer off his feet 1/4 mile away from the point of impact, and it left a 100-foot crater in the ground. My wife and I stood there before any building was ever built, when all was there across that windswept field was just a little roped-off area and a little tiny plaque and a guide telling you the story. And I'll never forget what he told us that morning. He said everything in that plane was burned up beyond recognition and totally vaporized, even down to the aluminum and the metal and the steel, completely burned. He said the only thing we salvaged was a copy of the New Testament, and the cover was singed on the edges. That's a memorial. I said that's a memorial. His word will abide forever. Heaven and earth will pass away. The grass withers and the flower fades, but the word of our God abides forever. Forever. Forever.